friends, this is FirearmPop, and stop by the range today. This is not a full-blown training exercise, but just some time at the range. But this is a video response to ShotGunShanni. She's reached her 1,500 subscribers. She's having a contest, and first and foremost, congrats. Great job. Love watching your videos. You bring a lot of personality into all your videos, so we appreciate that, and that's why we watch, and that's why your subscribers will continue to grow. Now, you asked for your video response to shoot something and say, "ShotGunShanni, this is for you." So here at the range, and I debated. I said, "Gee, what is the appropriate gun to shoot for ShotGunShanni?" And yeah, shotgun would have been the right thing. I have a couple, but not into shotguns really. Rifles don't make me warm. Okay, so the next best thing was my Bond Arms Snake Slayer chambered in 410 shotgun. So we're gonna cock this bad boy, and ShotGunShanni, this shot is for you. Congrats again, ShotGunShanni. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.